Good afternoon, Jason Phillips from Auto Appraise. AutoAppraise.com, 800-301-3886. Up for sale a 1956 Ford Thunderbird two-top coupe with a Continental kit. Car's an original factory Raven Black, I think was the color. Although I didn't bring my book out with me today. And it may be Tuxedo. Rare equipment includes that 3-speed manual transmission with overdrive. Engine bay is in really nice, solid, original shape. Engine is detailed nicely, original trim tag in place, 312 motor. Power steering, manual brakes, factory finned aluminum valve covers. Stock 12-volt ignition system. Very solid door corners. The car was cosmetically restored with interior upgrades and paint. Probably 20 years ago. It's very hard to see out here in the sunlight, so my video might keep running at times that I'm not requiring it to. 63,566 miles showing. Completely stock look. Dash is in really nice shape except for the added gauges beneath the dash. Factory overdrive. Car presents really well. Take it down the road. Has all original car light glass with Fomoco silk screening on the glass. All right, let's see what we got here. Tachometer's working as it should. I'm driving at 4-speed and I'm shifting. My point is I'm going to take it easy here. Pretty potholey road. The car in its current condition is taken to a lot of local shows and cruises by its current owner. Just hasn't been out to too many shows in the past couple of years. About one show a year is all they ever get to. Nicely maintained, oil's been changed, antifreeze is full and green. I'm going to limit the length of this video due to some of the comments I get sometimes saying that my videos are too long. But we want to put together a good test drive video that validates what the car is, what it's not, and just what it's represented to be. It's an original two-top car, hard tops on it right now, obviously, and soft tops folded up behind me. It's in really nice shape. We have still photos of that all put up and snapped together. Speedometer works, tachometer is functioning, clock does not work. Gauges operate, showing 60 pounds of oil pressure. Engine runs nice, doesn't seem to smoke or do anything unusual on startup. I'm guessing valve seals were probably already addressed somewhere earlier in its life. Town and country radio, I've got it turned on, waiting for it to sing to me. Blower motor operates. I'm going to try to work that a little later. True spoke, 100-spoke Kelsey Hayes style wheels are on it. Replacement tires are in really good shape. Drives down the road pretty nice. If you're over 6'4", you might not be comfortable in a Tri-5 T-Bird. Trunk's in real nice shape. Forgot to show you the trunk, so I thought I'd hop out and do that first. Trunk's in very nice shape. It was completely repainted. Floors are in good, solid shape. No holes or unusual decay to be talked about. Mat was taped down, looks like a replacement mat. I do not see a spare and a jack, but a consolation prize is it comes with a cover and a bag to put it in. The trunk lock works as it should. And the Continental kit locks away as it should. There we go. Spoked wheels. Spinners are in pretty good shape. Didn't show those earlier. Those are Coker Classic wide whites, and they've got excellent tread remaining. Lots of tread left. Fender skirts fit nice. You can see the reflective quality in the paint is really good. It's a nice older base clear job probably. A few small door dings, pings, scratches, but really nice for a driver quality. There's a few wiper rub marks in the glass. Chrome was likely changed on the vehicle. Bumpers look like they are in pretty nice shape. And no rot or decay issues to speak of. Head back down the road in a minute, let me hop underneath. Before I hop underneath, just again showing of the reflection of the paint in the car and fit and finish of the skirts. It's nice. Underneath, the car is in nice shape as well. There's no receipts on the rebuild history of the vehicle, so I'm uncertain as to what's been done. It looks like a lot's been done. Frame is in really nice shape. People who know these T-Birds know what they're looking for here, but the floor supports are in nice shape. The gussets look good. Frame looks that way up and down both sides. Any repair work that was done to a sufficient level. Exhaust system was replaced. Correct X-frame in place. Just drove it a couple miles here and nothing pouring out of it. I don't really see any obvious major drips either. Look under the back of the vehicle. Again, frame's in nice shape. Leaves are in nice shape. Look like they've been changed. Shocks have been replaced. Gas tank has been done. Frame is nice and straight along the rear end of the support. Trunk pan's in good shape from underneath. Rear end appears to be of good service. No noise going down the road anyway. Chrome on the back bumper's in nice shape. Very light polishing scratches and a light black dot patina. Reverse works. Hearing a little rattle behind me. It's this top clip. Needs to be tightened up, adjusted. Nice. Got a lot of still photos of the vehicle available. Results of the exterior magnet test and anything else you want to know about it, or send somebody over to drive it and look it over. Thanks for hanging out today. Jason Phillips from Auto Appraise. 800-301-3886. 1956 Ford Thunderbird. Two-top car. Continental kit, Town and Country, that doesn't appear to be working at the moment. Heater does work. Aluminum trim is in nice shape along the doors and the dash. Vinyl's in real nice shape. Seat's comfortable. If you need more information, reach out. If you can't reach me in my office, 810-691-2664. Thanks again. One more thing, the gas gauge appears to be working. The odometer appears to be turning. I checked the lights earlier before I went out. They're all on. Check the horn. Horn works. Turn signals. There's the right. The left one. The left one does not stay put down in position. You got to hold the wand to make it work. Guess I better watch the road. Alright, shutting the camera off for now. Have a great day. Thanks a lot. If you want to see this car in your garage, give me a call, make me an offer. The owners are motivated to sell it. Steers down the road good, drum brakes, so they can stand to be adjusted. But the pedal's nice and firm, power, non-power assist rather, but the car stops nicely. Steering wheel is not centered at the 12 o'clock position, so the car could probably stand in alignment and have that adjusted along the way. Can't think of much else to tell you, but if you got questions, call me up. Okay, thanks again.